Hello, friends. Oh no, time has stopped. We have to find out why. Oh no, time has stopped. We have to find out why. This must be the heart of the problem. The main gear is broken. How can I fix something so important? The book says only pure light can repair the gear. I have to concentrate. Don't worry, I'm helping. I won't let time stay frozen. Repair. Let the seconds flow. It worked! Time is back! Friends, every small piece is important for the whole world to work. Did you enjoy this video? Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye!